Welcome to a journey towards luscious and strong hair. In this video, we'll dive into simple home remedies shared to prevent hair loss and embrace natural, glowing locks. So, let's get started. A healthy, bouncy mane of hair is like a beautiful ornament for your face. But the worries of hair loss can cloud this beauty. Today, I'll guide you through a holistic approach to prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. Remember, nature has its ways, and 100 strands shedding daily is a part of its grand design. Understanding the causes. Before we delve into the remedies, let's understand the culprits behind excessive hair loss. Genetics, deficiencies like iron and calcium, stress, dandruff, and chemicals are some of the prime factors. But don't worry, there's a lot you can do to take charge of your hair health. Natural kitchen remedies. Unlock the magic of your kitchen with natural ingredients. Amla and lemon are your allies. Create a paste using amla powder and lemon juice. Apply, let it sit, and witness the strengthening wonders of vitamin C. Aloe vera elixir. Aloe vera, the miracle plant, brings bounce, strength, and shine to your hair. Apply fresh aloe vera gel. Let it work its magic for 45 minutes, and unveil hair that's smoother than ever. Curry leaves and coconut oil infusion. Transform your hair with curry leaves and coconut oil. Roast curry leaves, infuse them in coconut oil, and let the mixture work its charm. Apply the oil to your scalp, and after an hour, experience newfound strength. Daily rituals for radiant hair. Elevate your hair game with daily rituals. 1. Scalp massage. Relax and increase circulation with gentle fingertip massage. 2. Comb from back to front. Stimulate roots with backcombing for enhanced circulation. 3. Buttermilk magic. Apply buttermilk or curd to your scalp for dandruff-free, fresh hair. The neem and goodnight routine. Bid adieu to dandruff worries with neem. Boil bitter neem leaves, use the water for hair wash, and say hello to infection-free hair. And don't forget, a good night's sleep is the ultimate elixir for overall wellness. Yoga for hair growth. The first step towards healthier hair is a balanced diet. Nourish your body with sattvic foods to tackle deficiencies. But that's not all. Yoga plays a significant role too. Incorporate these 3 asanas into your routine for optimum hair care. 1. Hastpadasana. Stand tall, bend backward, and hold the position for a while. 2. Trikonasana. Forward bend with a straight spine, forming a triangle shape. 3. Vipritkarni. Inverted pose, letting blood flow to your head. Power of pranayama. Breathing right is essential for hair health. Try these 2 pranayama techniques. 1. Brastrika. Quick inhalations and exhalations with abdominal movement. Do 30 rounds for amazing results. 2. Alternate breathing. Balance your nostrils for overall body harmony. Embrace your natural beauty. As we wrap up this journey, remember you define your beauty. Embrace yourself, smile, and spread joy. Nature has provided us with treasures to nurture our hair and our hearts. So, follow these remedies, live stress-free, and revel in your own unique radiance. Remember, a healthy mind and body reflect in your hair. Embrace these remedies, live your best life, and let your hair shine with natural glory. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay you. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more expert insights, visit the other videos on our channel. Stay tuned for more enriching content.